Okay, let's do the unboxing for the MacBook Air 13 M4 processor that came in this box, which is pretty okay. This is the computer's box. As you can see, the model, it's an M4 with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of memory for the SSD, and blah blah blah. As you can see, everything is sealed like new. I always do these videos because if there's any problem with the product, I can just show them a video and say, hey, you know, this product you sold me, it came sealed and everything seemed okay, but then when I tried to run it, there was a problem or something. You know how it is. You know, you never know. You know, you never know, and you don't know what you don't know, which are the unknowns. No, unknowns. People make jokes of this. It was a politician that said it. So here, it looks pretty nice. Let's enjoy it. Take it easy. Okay, this pulls the notebook out. I chose the, I guess it's the Midnight Blue or Macho Kaze, something like that. And here comes the notebook. This is the entry-level model. I just needed to program, and sometimes I want to sit at the cafe or someplace like that and program and work and read stuff, use AI. AI is my thing, man. I love AI. This is the power cord. It's magnetic, I guess. Yeah, here it's magnetic. It's hard to use the camera. So I got the power cord, the notebook. This is probably something related to warranty. Oh, here's there. This is important. The power source. And I guess that's it, bro. Pretty simple. Let's look at this. We just have to get some plastic off. We don't want any fires. This is like the cable. It's pretty flexible. And this is the notebook. Let's see if there are any scratches or something like that. Okay, as you can see, looks pretty clean. I guess it has no ventilation. It has like 4 screws over here, maybe screws under the rubber, but Macs are something you just don't mess with because it's hard to touch the stuff inside. It's like unupgradable if you don't pay them good bucks, very good bucks. So let's see inside how it is. Just wait a second. Oh, it's already turned on by itself when I open the case. Let's take the screen protector off. Screen looks very nice. Maybe on my camera it doesn't. The keyboard is backlighted, and it says get started and blah blah blah. So I guess I'll get started, and thank you for watching my unboxing. I see not a problem, but like the grease from the fingers, they stay on the chassis, which is not that great, but I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you next time. And let's keep working on tech, guys. Let's make it happen.